How do we stay committed? Actually, it's a decision for both of you to stay committed. Not just being as boyfriend and girlfriend, but also in any aspects in life, like being married or with yourself, being committed to yourself. So, kami naman, simple lang naman kami eh. We just make sure that if I have a kissing scene, did you toothbrush? Ganun lang.
Talaga?
I mean, he takes everything lightly. And I'm very happy na ano lang siya. He's very supportive with my career and siya yung nagbibihis sa akin kasi he's into styling naman siya. So,
Cute naman.
no, he's an art collector. So, ganun siya, very artistic siya. So, wala naman. I mean, he understands my world just the way I understand his world.
Siya ba yung tipo ng boyfriend na mahilig mag-surprise? Or ano mo yun, na ipa-feel sa'yo na special ka as a...
Oh yeah, we travel a lot. Yun yung ano namin, a way of bonding. So, kasi I'm doing this show and I'm doing a lot of work. So, yun yung way namin na makabawi kami sa isa't isa.